how to convert video to MP3 file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert any video file into MP3 audio file fast and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the Wait Online MP3 converter. And here on the search result, simply click on the first link, and once you see the interface like this, just click on the button that says convert to MP3 and it will prompt you to upload your video file. So here just click on upload a file, and after that simply select the video that you want to turn into audio and upload it. And here once the video is uploaded, you will see a settings menu. So here the file type should already be set to MP3, and if not, simply open the drop down menu and go to audio and select MP3. And here once you have selected that, you can just click on convert, and after that you just need to give it a few seconds and your MP3 will be ready to download. And here you can just hit download to save the audio to your device. And now you have got your video converted into high quality MP3 file. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.